Today we'll talk about how can you enable optimize video on your uh, WordPress app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down, click here on your name down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on app settings, then you come to next CPR. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do to next step, you just go down, come here to optimize videos, just click in this sign. Like you see here, this color show for us, that's mean optimize videos enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all I wish know you I give it. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.